Hey everybody, Lisa here, Ultimate Serenity. I'm going to show you how to roll out your forearms and your hands. I've been having a lot of people come in and that was one of their major complaints, so let's get started. I'm going to put the camera down. There we go. So we're going to use this red rock tape ball a little bit later on, but literally we're going to start with our right hand because most of the time desk workers, this is their primary complaint. It's sore. You're typing all day, all your digits are hurting, your pronator, and a lot of your flexor muscles. We're going to use our outside knee. So I got my right arm down, I'm going to use my left knee. I'm going to plop it right in there. So what I'm doing is putting it right in here, which is the meaty part of my forearm. I'm staying away from the wrist, staying away from the elbow crease. First going to put that in there. And then I'm just going to flex my hand. There we go. Back and forth. Now I'm going to make a fist and open it a couple of times. This gets really tight. And then you'll make the fist and you just move it up and down. It doesn't have to be very big. Then you're going to open the hand, close the fingers, open them. And then you are going to slowly release off that pressure and you're going to stretch it. Move that camera back up so you can see what I'm doing. There. Just a little stretch. Now we're going to work with the rock tape ball, now that you've done this. I'm just going to use this arm so you can see what I'm doing. So now we're going to work this right here. So this is your pronator, the one that supinates and pronates your forearm. We're going to put that down. We're going to leave our elbow right on the floor. So we're going to find that little sweet spot, so not on the bone, but on the meaty part. And you're just going to extend it down and release it, keeping it right on the ball. So you just put your arm down, apply a little pressure and release. You can even move it back and forth. That also feels good. Or you can hold it in place and turn your wrist. It actually feels really good, especially after a long day. And then I'm going to come and move it. So you're just going to roll it. Once you find a little tender spot, you can stay right there and move your hand up and down. Found a little tender spot, it actually feels great. There, I'm going to move back up toward the elbow. Continue doing that because it's really tender right there for me. And release it. Now, if you didn't have one of these balls, you could use a lacrosse ball, you could use a tennis ball. The tennis ball would just be a little bit softer. Now, you can also use your knee on your hand. So I'll show you with this one. You're going to put it facing you, and you're just going to take your knee right on there. And you're going to glide back and forth, a little east to west action. So that way you're working the palm of your hand, you're working that thumb area, which can get really tight on people. I'll show you from this angle as well. Put that knee back. Just gonna rock it. Forward and backward. Side to side. Maybe some circles. Release, nice little stretch. Apply light pressure. Hopefully this will inspire you to add this to your self-care routine. We'll see you next time.